So this is Marx, and Marx is our dog of the week this week. He is a sweet, sweet terrier. About 2 years old. Can you sit? Good boy. He knows to sit for hot dogs, so that's a plus. He has the sweetest, cutest little ears you've ever seen. Marx loves his small dog friends, but he's a little bit timid around big dog friends. Good boy. He would be best if there's another dog around that his dog friend is on the smaller side. He might be a little bit shy at first, but don't let that bother you, because within a few minutes he'll be a good buddy for you. He's a sweet boy. He's a terrier. He's already neutered, so he is all set to go home and be a really good canine citizen here. Yeah, buddy, huh? And terriers generally are easy to train. So he would probably do really good in some classes, maybe some agility, or maybe just a roulette buddy who likes to go for walks. He's a pretty versatile guy.